We all love making passive income online through e-commerce, and I'm always looking for new ways to establish an edge over my competition. Now, in this video, I may have one for us. You guys already know one of the most valuable things we can have to set our products apart from our competition are positive reviews from our customers. And today I want to show you a tool that's literally called Get Reviews that specializes in helping us do just that. It's incredibly easy to set up, it's intuitive, and they've checked about every box possible off to make this the perfect tool for not only increasing reviews, but also protecting against negative reviews and staying Amazon TOS terms of service compliant. So I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know in this video. Let's get to it. Did you know that the review rate for a sale on Amazon could be as low as 1% if you do nothing about it? This is what makes tools like Get Reviews so valuable, because we know customers often prefer the social feedback, the social validation from other customers saying, yeah, I bought this product and I love it. And Get Reviews helps us do just that. So I'm going to be using these garlic press as an example from the brand OXO on Amazon. You guys have probably seen it before. And I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful survey that you see behind me in just minutes using Get Reviews. So when you log into Get Reviews, the first thing you need to do is actually go to the navigation and click products and create your first product. So you can see here, I made the garlic press. I put the ASIN from Amazon, put the product name, upload at least one image, and that is it. It takes seconds to do and then hit save. After that, you're going to be able to create your survey, which is where you collect the feedback. Now, we're using Get Reviews as an intermediary between the customer and Amazon because we don't need the negative reviews finding their way to Amazon. So what we do is we essentially control which ones actually make their way to where they're going to be publicly visible on our product listing. I absolutely love that they do that. If I had to build this tool, I would do it the same way. So on the left-hand side, we already created a product. Now we're going to go to surveys. By the way, these are customizable to your branding, as you saw I did with the OXO brand here, the beautiful background imagery. So go to surveys. You would hit create new survey. I've already created one, so I'm going to click edit and show you guys what inputs were required. So I named my survey. For the design, you actually have different designs you can work with: minimalist, standard, and extended. You can go ahead and upload the brand logo, which I grabbed from the OXO store. You can upload a background image as well, whether you want to grab that from the product store, the enhanced brand content. I grabbed that one from Vexels. I thought it looked great. Go ahead and select what product you want to be associated with this survey. There's the minimum star rating. Like I said, if we leave it at 3, which is the default, that means anybody rating it a 3 and above will be able to pass through to Amazon. Otherwise, we can do a fallback URL right here for where you don't want the positive reviews going. You guys have probably seen that before too, right? I've seen many apps use the exact same thing. You can set, minimum lengths, add them to collections, maybe based on like product type or brands if you have multiple brands. Leave review on the marketplace. So you can essentially, the default here, require customer to leave review on marketplace. And it says require because you can actually attach giveaways to your surveys. You can put time delays. You can embed your survey. They track additional analytics. They support things like the Facebook pixels, things like that. They've really thought of it all, guys. And if you click giveaway on the left-hand side, you can attach a giveaway to a survey as an incentive for people to purchase your product. You cannot incentivize people to review your product. That would be breaking the Amazon terms of service. That is why when we get to the surveys we create, the first thing it asks for is the order number. And if you go to your surveys tab, they actually give you the demo order number right here to test. So I'm going to go ahead and copy paste that in. That proves that they actually purchased the product. And so you are not rewarding them for dropping a review. You're rewarding them if you attach a giveaway to it, which is optional for the purchase. Okay, you see what they did there? Then you go ahead and hit next. I can leave the star rating. Assuming they leave a 3 or above, we can pass them through to Amazon. They do 2 and below, we give the fallback URL. After you type your review, you can go ahead. It says copy text below. So you click that button. This is me as the person who purchased it. And now I'm going to leave the review and they pass it straight through to Amazon. If you click paste on Amazon, it will deep link them in their native Amazon app, whether it's Android, Apple, or on the desktop, it'll take me straight to where I can review this product on Amazon. And all I have to do is simply paste the text that I already typed and was collected in Get Reviews, which also, of course, all of that data is being stored here on Get Reviews in the back end, which the customer will never see, but will always have access to our data. Now, of course, I have to mention that they also generate a QR code for every survey we create. You can click the download icon and it'll show us the QR that when our customers scan, takes them to the survey like you saw that I just built. You can, of course, also attach a domain to that. So whether you want to use the URL that's spun up by Get Reviews, or if you guys remember down here at the bottom of the survey, they give us the embed code. Shout out to all the other web developers here. You can spin up a one-page website, attach it to your QR code, create the insert, and you're good to go, right? What's not to love about this? They make it so easy. I mentioned you can attach giveaways, by the way, and they integrate with tremendous.com for essentially automating the rewards for your customers. So again, you know I love automation and they've absolutely thought of it all. Now on our channel, the last thing I wanted to leave you with is that we talk a lot about print on demand. So how can we utilize this with print on demand? Well, if you're using Printful like I am, they already support personalized branded pack-ins, okay? In many forms: flyers, coupons, business cards, branded stickers, postcards, handwritten thank you cards. So go ahead, design your insert however you want it to look. I imagine you're going to want to put that QR code on it and probably attach a domain as well. Make it as easy on your customer as you possibly can. And that way, Get Reviews will do the rest of the work on autopilot, as you saw me demo in this video. They also support email campaigns and SMS, so you can do just so much with it. But let's not overcomplicate it. If this is your first exposure to Get Reviews, go ahead and try it for free using the link in the description. I absolutely love it. I'm going to be using some inserts with my orders and trying to drum up more engagement in terms of reviews with my customers, because we know that leads to more sales, right? Positive feedback. Number one, Amazon also monitors that, and they factor that into their organic ranking algorithm. It also tends to increase the conversion rate, which again leads to better organic placement in search results, and visibility is everything, right? So what's not to love? Get Reviews is helping us do it. Check them out. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you soon with another new video.